Hi guys, welcome to Only Match 2.1. Today we are going to discuss few points regarding probability guys. So probability, what is P of E? Is given as number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. And second one, the probability of sure event or certain event is always 1. And the probability of impossible event it cannot be happen, okay, is given as 0. And uh, the probability of an event, it will lie between this range guys, 0 less than or equal to p of e less than 1. Okay, and suppose if we consider an event p of e plus complementary event, that is p of e bar, should be equal to 1. Okay, so I hope you understand these 5 points. In the next video we are going to cover other 2 points. Okay, thank you for watching.